Hello everyone, welcome to Falcon Stockographics. So today we will be analyzing the stock of Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra was founded by Anand Mahindra in the year of 1986. It was founded as a joint venture with British Telecom. It is headquartered in Pune district of Maharashtra. It delivers its services in the field of banking, manufacturing, transportation, energy, gas, healthcare, hospitality, communications and various other sectors. The current market price of stock of Tech Mahindra is 1026.25 rupees. Market cap is more than 99,400 crore rupees. The 52-week high of the stock of Tech Mahindra is 1081.55 rupees, and we can here see that current market price is very much closer to 52-week high, whereas its 52-week low is 501.5 rupees. If we see the shareholding pattern of the company, the holding of the promoter is about 35.85%, whereas the holding of FII or foreign investors we can say is 39.66%. See the range of services or products of the Tech Mahindra Limited. Its range of services include cloud services, enterprise business solutions, data analytics, network services, consulting, automation, testing, R&D, and various other services Tech Mahindra provides in the field of IT. Now let's do a standalone analysis of Tech Mahindra stock. Now we will see the annual revenues from operations of Tech Mahindra. In the year 2007-8, annual revenues from operations was 3604.7 crores, while in the year 2020-21, annual revenues were 29,640.9 crores. If we see in the year of 2019 to 2021, the amount of revenue has shown quite a stability, which is quite good looking from the perspective of lockdown. The revenues from operations of Tech Mahindra have shown quite a stability. Now, operating income and return on capital employed of the company is shown over here. In the year 2007-8, 837.1 crores was the operating income of the company, while in the year 2020-21, operating income of Tech Mahindra stood at 4,668 crores. When it comes to return on capital employed, 74.39% was in the year 2007-8 as against 18.64% in the year 2020-21. To calculate operating income, two things have been excluded. First, non-operating income like other income, and second, non-operating expenses like finance cost and taxes have been removed to calculate operating income. And on the basis of operating income and capital employed, ROCE have been calculated over here. In the year 2019-20, operating income have been lower because the proportion of the other income was higher. In the year 2007-8, the shareholders' funds was 1,228.4 crores, while debt was 950 crores. In the year 2020-21, shareholders' fund was 25,015.8 crores, and on the other hand, debt was 32.45 crores. So we can say that overall the capital of the company have increased and there is barely any problem of debt in the company. Now let's see the quarterly revenues of operations of the company. In March 20 quarter, revenues of the company stood at 7,571 crores, while in March 21 quarter, revenues of the company stood at 7,506 crores. Quarterly EBIT from operations of the company was 1,554 crores in quarter ending March 20, and in quarter ending March 21, the EBIT was 1,542 crores. Quarterly net profit, if we see of the company, as on March 20, quarterly net profit was 1,391 crore, and as on quarter ended March 21, the net profit was 1,167 crores. Looking at the chart of Tech Mahindra, we can notice that the stock has given a good amount of run from about 500 rupees to now it is 1026.25 rupees. The 500 rupees was the value of the stock just last year, and since last year it has crossed its multiple highs, and now it has reached to 1026.25. Its highest point was at 1081 rupees, as we have seen in one of the previous slides. And as this stock is at higher levels, the trading with caution is very much recommended. Now, if we see the indicators of Tech Mahindra Limited, we can say that 16 indicators saying that the stock of Tech Mahindra is bullish, whereas eight indicators are saying that the stock is neutral. Only 3 are saying that the stock is bearish. And by seeing the dividend policy of the company, recently company has announced dividend of rupees 45, which was 9 rupees in the month of March. So the dividend amount have increased over the period of time. Looking at the chart of Tech Mahindra, we can notice that the stock has given a good amount of run from about 500 rupees to now it is 1026.25 rupees. The 500 rupees was the value of the stock just last year, and since last year it has crossed its multiple highs, and now it has reached to 1026.25. Its highest point was at 1081 rupees, as we have seen in one of the previous slides. And as this stock is at higher levels, the trading with caution is very much recommended. Now, if we see the indicators of Tech Mahindra Limited, we can say that 16 indicators saying that the stock of Tech Mahindra is bullish, whereas eight indicators are saying that the stock is neutral. Only 3 are saying that the stock is bearish. And by seeing the dividend policy of the company, recently company has announced dividend of rupees 45, which was 9 rupees in the month of March. So the dividend amount have increased over the period of time. Tech Mahindra acquired 70% stake in Pedigord Asset Holdings. This acquisition will help Tech Mahindra in the help of pharmaceuticals and healthcare field, and it is a part of long-term growth for Tech Mahindra and also make presence in countries like Ireland, US and Germany. The next news is about acquisition of Digital on Us by Tech Mahindra. 100% stake is being acquired of Digital on Us by Tech Mahindra for around 120 million US dollars. It will help with IT security and cloud capabilities, and this acquisition will also help Tech Mahindra in NXT Point Now framework. Tech Mahindra also acquired US firm Event Solutions for around 44 million US dollars or about 321 crore rupees. It will help with consulting and cloud transformation for Tech Mahindra. Now this year Tech Mahindra have acquired more than 10 companies and it is looking forward to more acquisitions. Here we can say that Tech Mahindra is very much aggressive in business these days, and it could show a good growth potential in its stock value. Next big news is about Tech Mahindra and Regin. It is working together to form a drug molecule that can attack or neutralize COVID virus, and hopefully it will work, and if it works it will be very much helpful to tackle COVID. To conclude with, the revenues of the Tech Mahindra are increasing. The period of the year 2020 have gone through quite a lockdown, and still the revenues from operations of Tech Mahindra have shown quite a stability. Hence, we can say that the revenues of the Tech Mahindra has potential to increase very much. Next is, Tech Mahindra have been doing very aggressive acquisitions. Recently, about 15 companies have been acquired by Tech Mahindra, and they will be doing even more acquisitions. So there is more scope for growth of stock in Tech Mahindra. The target of Tech Mahindra is said to be 1120 by ICICI Direct, while it is 1150 by Sharekhan. Trading will be fine in Tech Mahindra, but for long-term investment, please watch out what Tech Mahindra is acquiring. But over the period of time for long term, Tech Mahindra is suitable. So thank you for watching the video, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.